Currently, museums are about to develop digitization strategies. In 2D, this is easy to do because you already have machines where you can place a book inside and it gets digitized automatically. But for 3D, it's a whole different ballgame because it takes much longer and it is much more expensive to do. CultLab 3D is probably the first attempt at 3D mass digitization through automation, so we have a high throughput and it is economically viable to scan entire collections. Cultural artifacts, they are all different, so there is not the scanning technology for each material. What we thought is we develop a multimodular scanning system where the curator will only once place an artifact on a tablet, which will be pulled through the conveyor belt system, and you have a digitized model. In 2016, we're going to commercialize CultLab 3D or parts of CultLab 3D, and we want to add another couple of modules, for instance CT scanners to capture volumetric data, and we will go multispectral to capture additional information on the objects.
Digitized 3D objects usually come with a massive amount of data. We cannot directly visualize those objects on a smartphone or tablet PC. Until now, a lot of manual interaction was needed in order to simplify and post-process a 3D model. With Instant 3D Hub, we can do all of this in a fully automatic fashion. Instant 3D Hub automatically reduces the amount of data while preserving the visual quality of the input. To achieve this, we first simplify the 3D mesh. We then apply a texture, so we compute a texture parameterization and preserve the original details in texture images. In the future, we plan to even more closely collaborate with our colleagues from CultLab 3D in order to automatically optimize this massive amounts of 3D models for visualization within a very short amount of time.